Hey, this is Mubarak. I'm Google Certified Tag Manager and Google Analytics for tracking and reporting expert. I've been working with clients and agencies in the USA and Europe for over 4 years. Now, let's talk about a crucial issue you might be facing on your website. With browsers like Chrome and Safari iOS 14 update or ad blockers, dropping ads cookies becomes a challenge. And that's a problem because it affects your ad's platform and website data, leading to data mismatch and ineffective personalized ads. But guess what? I have the solution for you. I can help you set up server-side tracking and conversion API tracking. Yes, anything tracking related on your website, from buttons to forms, phone numbers, Google Ads conversion, and dynamic remarketing tracking. So, if you're struggling with data mismatch and want to run personalized ads smoothly, just knock me. I'm here to provide you with a free consultation. Let's optimize your tracking and take your website to the next level. Thank you.